A good nail drill makes manicures and pedicures faster, easier, and more professional. The best nail drills offer adjustable speed, low noise, comfortable handling, and versatile attachments for shaping, polishing, and gel removal. In this guide, we review the top 3 best nail drills for salon-quality nail care at home. Number 3. MelodySusie Pen-Shaped Portable USB Nail Drill. The MelodySusie Pen-Shaped Portable USB Nail Drill is a compact and lightweight nail care tool, designed for beginners and professionals alike. Its slim pen-shaped design makes it easy to hold and control, allowing precise shaping, filing, polishing, and cuticle removal. Powered by USB, it offers convenient use at home, in salons, or while traveling. The low-noise motor provides smooth performance without causing discomfort, while adjustable speed settings allow users to customize their nail care routine. Compatible with various drill bits, it works well for natural nails, acrylic nails, and gel polish removal. Portable, easy to use, and reliable. The MelodySusie nail drill is an excellent choice for everyday nail maintenance. Number 2. COSLUS SC40 Electric Nail Drill. The COSLUS SC40 Electric Nail Drill is a versatile and powerful manicure tool built for efficient nail shaping, polishing, and gel removal. Designed with adjustable speed control, it allows users to switch between gentle and powerful performance depending on the task. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during long nail care sessions. The low vibration and low noise motor improve user comfort, making it ideal for home use or professional salons. Compatible with multiple drill bits, it can handle natural nails, acrylic nails, and thick gel layers with ease. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its easy operation makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced nail technicians. Number 1. Beurer MP60 Professional Nail Drill Kit. The Beurer MP60 Professional Nail Drill Kit is a premium manicure and pedicure set, designed for complete nail care and grooming. Equipped with multiple high-quality attachments, it can file, shape, buff, polish, and remove COSLUS with professional-level precision. Its powerful motor offers adjustable speed settings and clockwise or counterclockwise rotation for better flexibility and control. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the built-in LED light improves visibility for detailed nail work. Suitable for natural nails, artificial nails, and foot care, it provides salon-quality results at home. Durable, versatile, and easy to use. The Beurer MP62 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking advanced nail care, performance and convenience.